Hello, I'm going to talk to you about creative visualization. You've heard about it, but you might not know what it really is. It's a way of tapping into your inner resources, of bringing forward some of your desires that maybe you haven't quite tapped into before. Wait, before you go, it's not really manifesting. It's not the vision boards. It's not the goal setting you think it might be. We're actually offering something a little different. It's very affordable, and it's a workshop with practical techniques of how you can get to 2 secret elements that stop people with creative visualization. You'll simply do it comfortably, closing your eyes. There's no strain. It can be part of your day. And before you know it, you're going to find that your life is starting to change as a result. It doesn't require belief. It's not associated with any religion. It's a simple, practical tool that, as a result, not only allows your system to go from the fight or flight response to the relaxation response, but you're actually going to start to listening to your own intuition and get free of that stress that's around you. So if you want to find out more, why don't you join us? The sign up is limited, and tap in to what you would like to do and who you would really like to be without all that stress that's stopping you.